Okay, today we are going to talk about the Flame Detection Network Camera Pro. Unveiling the future of fire prevention. WisuAlarm Flame Detection Network Camera Pro. In a world where safety is paramount and every second counts, traditional fire detection methods often fall short. But what if you could detect a fire, not just its smoke, but the very first flicker of a flame with unparalleled precision and speed? Introducing the WisuAlarm Flame Detection Network Camera Pro, a game changer in the fire protection. Developed specifically for the needs of the fire protection industry, this intelligent thermal imaging product is designed to see what others can't. What makes the WisuAlarm Pro truly unique? It's the dual channel design of visible light and thermal imaging combined with a triple IR flame detection, 3.8, 4.5, 5.0 micrometer.
Attention please, flame detected.
This isn't just a camera, it's an intelligent security and fire protection system that offers industry-leading sensitivity. Let's delve into its powerful features. Real-time temperature detection from 010 Celsius to plus 500 Celsius with precise cold and hot spot detection alarms. Intelligent AI functions, smoke and fire detection, even smoking detection, and a robust perimeter protection. Superior clarity comes with this camera. A 5 megapixel visible light sensor ensures excellent low light performance. Audible and visual warnings. So the camera has a built-in high decibel speaker and bright white light illuminators, providing immediate effective deterrence and intervention. In regards to remote intercom and alarm output, communicate remotely and link with existing alarm systems with comprehensive safety. 25 pseudo-color modes. Customizable thermal views for optimal clarity in any scenario. The camera is also robust and reliable, IP67 rated, ensuring durable and in harsh environments and supporting H.265 encoding for efficient data transmission. Assisting various industries and scenarios. The WisuAlarm Pro is not just a product, it is a vital asset for a wide range of industries and scenarios with a critical fire emergency need.
Attention please, flame detected.
Schools. Protecting students and staff, enabling rapid response and potential threats. Stadiums. Safeguarding large gatherings and complex structures. Airports, ensuring the safety of travelers and critical infrastructures. Factories and warehouses, detecting fires in their earliest stage, minimizing damage and protecting valuable assets and personnel, especially in areas with combustible materials or machinery. Any facility with an emergency plan, its comprehensive detection capabilities makes it indispensable for proactive fire prevention. Prevention, protection, peace of mind. From early warning to rapid response, the Flame Detection Network Camera Pro transforms fire prevention from reactive to proactive. It filters false alarms, integrity, encodes video, and offers robust connectivity, providing unparalleled peace of mind. Don't wait for a disaster to strike. Invest in the advanced protection of the WisuAlarm Fire Detection Network Camera Pro today. WisuAlarm, see the danger before it ignites. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. All the best.